Welcome back to Road Ready Reviews, your destination for the world's most exclusive and head-turning vehicles. Today, we're not just looking at a car, we're exploring a category-defying masterpiece. Say hello to the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome. Yes, you heard that right. Ferrari has stepped into the luxury motorhome space, and it's unlike anything you've ever imagined. If comfort, performance, and prestige had a love child, this would be it. The 2026 Ferrari Motorhome takes the brand's signature passion for design and performance and fuses it with the indulgent comfort of a high-end mobile residence. From the outside, it commands immediate attention with a bold aerodynamic profile that blends the iconic Ferrari design DNA with the proportions of a luxury coach. Sculpted surfaces, aggressive lighting signatures, and carbon fiber accents give it a futuristic and unmistakably Ferrari stance. The signature Rosso Casa paint with subtle matte black trim details adds just the right amount of menace. Under the hood, or rather, beneath the rear floor, sits a custom Ferrari-engineered hybrid V8 powertrain tuned for torque-heavy, long-distance travel. It delivers a seamless mix of power and silence, allowing this motorhome to cruise effortlessly while maintaining remarkable efficiency. The advanced adaptive suspension system ensures a smooth ride over any terrain, while rear-wheel steering and torque vectoring help with maneuverability, making this beast surprisingly easy to handle, even in tighter campgrounds or city edges. Step inside, and you're transported into a world of refined Italian craftsmanship. The interior is lined with soft Nappa leather, carbon fiber panels, and brushed aluminum detailing. Every element is precision-engineered, from the ambient lighting to the motorized retractable furniture. You'll find a spacious living lounge with a full entertainment suite, a gourmet kitchen outfitted with smart appliances, and a climate-controlled sleeping cabin with a queen-size memory foam bed. The attention to detail is mind-blowing, from the stitched Cavallino rampant on the headrests to the crystal glassware secured in carbon fiber mounts. The driver's cockpit is pure Ferrari. Digital instrument clusters, racing-inspired steering, and paddle shifters remain true to the brand's roots, even in this grand touring setup. And yes, the infotainment system supports over-the-air updates, remote diagnostics, and integrated Ferrari concierge services. On the tech front, it's loaded with Level 2 autonomy for highway cruising, 360-degree cameras, adaptive cruise control, and even biometric access for added security. The 2026 Ferrari Motorhome doesn't just move you, it pampers you, excites you, and redefines what luxury travel can be. This isn't just a motorhome. It's Ferrari's boldest expression of freedom, comfort, and dominance on the open road. Stay tuned, because this is just the beginning of a whole new era in automotive luxury. Enjoyed this review? Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more expert car insights here on Road Ready Reviews.